Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can increase fans and brand fame in College Football 27 Road to Glory. It's pretty easy. All you gotta do, open your Road to Glory. Over here on Actions tab, you need to look for the option Weekly Agenda. Simply select that, and here you're gonna see a couple of categories like academics, leadership, health, fitness, and brand. So you just need to basically grind on all of this, and eventually you will increase your fans as well as your brand fame. Also, you can see we can spend energy on this to improve our brand fame, or you can also gain fans. Like here we can see, so let's say we spend cost, and you can see we just got 250 fans, and because of that we have unlocked the NL slot. So again, you can spend more energy on this to gain more fans or basically improve your brand fame. And yeah, it is that easy to increase fans and brand fame in College Football 27. Hope this would help you out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.